So this week I would like to focus upon the next two generations of our family, our children and our grandchildren. So school is getting out for the summer, and this is a great time to introduce them to the garden. We all know that giving our children the right foods will have a direct effect on their health as adults. So the vegetables in our stores, they're really not very tasty, and the kids know this and they resist eating them. But if we introduce our kids and our grandkids to the high nutrient-dense vegetables that are full of flavor, most kids like vegetables. Kind of like the turnips that we grow, man, kids go crazy over them. If your child never learns to play the piano or tennis, it's really not life-threatening. But if your child never learns to garden, it could be life-threatening. Have you ever seen a run on the grocery store? There could be a natural disaster. Who knows, maybe a pandemic or a war that disrupts the food supply. So those who know how to grow food will not have to worry about food shortages. So I made sure that all my kids can grow food, and they do, and they love it. So school is out for the summer pretty soon, so let's keep those kids busy outdoors. It will be fun. They won't even notice that they are learning to garden and learning to like to eat vegetables. One thing that I've noticed is that a person will claim and be very interested in any vegetable that they grew themselves. I even see it in our staff. They feel a sense of ownership when they plant the vegetables. So we want the children to feel this too. So the best way to get a child to try a vegetable is to have them grow it themselves. The garden can teach children so many life lessons that can build character and help them become responsible adults. So we want to pick a garden style that will set your kids up for success, not only for this season, but for the rest of their lives. So if your kids have a great first garden, they will be hooked on it for life. So the high-performance garden style that we are demonstrating in this show is perfect for kids. There's 5 steps to setting your kids up for success in the garden. Number 1, start with a plan. Number 2, create a garden that is just theirs. Number 3, use the right soil. Number 4, create a routine for the garden care, because you want them to be doing it automatically. And number 5, learn gardening techniques that will make gardening easy for them. Here's a list of easy to grow plants. Have them pick 3 plants off the list to grow. So you get tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, green beans, kale, Swiss chard, squash, and pumpkins. So many families have lost their gardening skills, and it's time to get the next generation started again. This is the year to get your kids or grandkids outdoors and learn to grow and eat the food that they create. Easy gardening will set your kids up for a lifetime of great food. The primal connection of knowing and respecting where our food comes from is so crucial to them eating their vegetables. So take a few minutes to plant a garden. The added bonus is the pride that they will have in what they can create with their hands. Something tangible, not just a blip on a computer screen that can be deleted with the touch of a button. So are you ready to take the leap and get some children started in the garden today? Pick those 3 easy plants and start planting your garden with your child or grandchild, and this summer will be one that they will remember for a lifetime. So there's an article on our website that has 5 kid-friendly garden designs that you can do with any child. So you can go and check it out. It's at thelivingfarm.org/kids-garden-plans-try-summer. We'll put that on the screen for you. And if you'd like to learn more about high-performance gardening and the garden concepts that lead to success, go ahead and go to our website, thelivingfarm.org, and there are more articles, videos, and e-courses that can help you on your way to success. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com.
Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.